So this is again a view from my course site. So I have set up a few activities. If you can look here, this is a chat room. So when I'm teaching, we can use this real-time chat to explain and discuss things. The students can ask questions here directly and I can then answer them through my lecture. Then the second thing I have included for engagement is the wiki. So after every class, the students are supposed to write the summary of what they have understand in a collaborative way. So they can put down a few lines and some other student can add certain stuff to that particular line, and this is how they are going to build a whole summary of the lecture. This is what is planned. Then there's a quiz here, so they have to answer. This was set up as a pre-test type of quiz so that I can assess that how much they already know about the subject before they jump into the specifics of gene regulation. There would be a presentation. It could be an online presentation or an offline presentation, like an on-site presentation if the time allows us. And then we can they are supposed to search the literature on an advanced topic of nutrigenomics and then present their findings on certain papers. This is the Twitter activity which I have spoken already about. This is going to assess the understanding in the real time. I would put a yes/no question or I would put an MCQ, and I can see the response which would tell me whether they are getting the stuff or not. This can also be used for the offline activity, which is reading and other material to be seen by the students, and then I can assess whether they have been studying throughout the week and it's enhancing their learning or not. The last activity would be a blog. Actually, this is my blog. It has been embedded here. This has been shown on the Twitter. So I've set up a blog which would I would post certain things of interest for them, and they would actually then go and read it. They would be able to comment on it, and they would add whatever they have been learning in the comment section. This is how it is going to work. So I understand that this multi-pronged approach to engage them through the Twitter, through blogging activities, through wikis, quiz, and a chat room would provide me infrastructure where students will remain engaged throughout the week, even if they are coming for a class or they are attending the class, a small class, or during on a predetermined time. So it would be a sort of a course where they come for a class, they attend it, they give real-time feedback, they chat about it, and then they go back and do some assignments, and then they can fill in the blog section or the wiki section. So it's going to be a complete thorough approach to engage them in their learning environment.